Hello, a new Android malware campaign by ThreatFabric has been observed pushing the Anatsa banking Trojan. It targets banking customers in the US, UK, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland since the start of March 2023. The Dutch cybersecurity company said Anatsas infected Google Play Store dropper apps have accrued over 30,000 installations to date, indicating that the official app storefront has become an effective distribution vector for the malware. It has since become one of the most prolific banking malware, targeting over 400 financial institutions across the world. ThreatFabrics, the latest campaign by Anatas, reveals the evolving threat landscape that banks and financial institutions face in today's digital world, the company writes. The recent Google Play Store distribution campaigns demonstrate the immense potential for mobile fraud and the need for proactive measures to counter such threats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.